Hello, happy Friday. Surprise. Surprise. I'm live. Nope, wrong one. We're getting there. Here I am. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Hello, you guys. I got my comments up. We're going to make a little something, and I'm going to dive in and do this quick. There's a ton of stuff going on today. Today is Stampin' Up's convention event. It is called On Stage at Home, and I've been doing stuff all day with it. And I am trying to get my 8 weeks of Christmas week 1 up, which will feature a PDF as well. And I was like, it's going to be quicker if I jump on here, share it with you guys, share some updates with you guys, and then jump back to my conference this weekend. Hi, Daisy. So I'm excited to be crafting with you guys. I spent the morning getting my office all cleaned up, and I'm ready to go because I have a lot of stamping to do. So a couple housekeeping items. If you're watching this on YouTube, on the bar down below, on the bar that shows you how far you are into the video, it has chapters now. So you can click on each chapter and you will see what it is I'm talking about or what the situation is. So if you want to jump right to the stamping and you want to see the project, just find the chapter on the bottom of the YouTube bar and click on that. I had a comment this week that my video was too long and I wasn't stamping and I was just chit-chatting and rambling on. And that's because I'm live here on Facebook with my Facebook people. My peeps are here on Facebook and they are live with me. So we are chit-chatting and interacting and hanging out and having fun. If you're watching this on YouTube, I am no longer live. So if you say hello to me, I will not say hello back to you. Not because I don't like you, simply because I'm not live anymore. So if you're on YouTube and you just want to get to the stamping, just click on the chapter. Okay, so it's a new feature I just started using. I will only use that on my lives because it's a little bit of work to be able to do that, to place those chapters on the YouTube video. But I understand clicking on a video and wanting to see the stamping and then not seeing it. And Kathy knows exactly what I'm talking about because Kathy did comment. And thank you so much, Kathy. I appreciated your comments so very much. It's like that balance, you guys. I told you like the last video, it's the balance of loving YouTube and loving being able to use it and then filtering out when people are just nasty or ridiculous. So I totally get if you just want to see the stamping, look on the YouTube bar, find the chapter, jump to the stamping. Okay. We're going to make this. I will share the PDF directly when I'm done. I will finish up the PDF. It's a brand new Christmas inspired PDF for the 8 weeks of Christmas. This is week 1, project 1. I will pop all of that together and share the PDF with you guys by the end of the day. The only other thing that I want to share with you guys is I'm going to be offering this exact card we're going to make. I'm going to offer it in a kit. So it will be a 1 card kit. And when you spend $35 or more with me this month, not only will you get the set of embossing folders, but you will get this card kit. And this card kit is going to mail out in real time. So instead of waiting until the end of the month to mail the card kit out, this is something that I think I'm going to start doing with you guys, so that you have something right away. A lot of times I wait until the end of the month, wrap up my workshop order and put all of the products that I'm giving away on one order, and then it ships to me and then I send it all out. So sometimes there's about a month delay or 3-week delay when that happens. For the card kit, and it will look like this, you will get all of these items. It is going to ship out in real time. I've already made up a certain amount of card kits. When your order comes in, I'm going to pull a card kit and I'm going to send it out to you. And I think I'm going to start doing this every single month. So with a $35 order, you'll get that card kit and then you'll have a PDF to go with it this month because this is an 8-week thing. I might also just start doing a single card kit PDF and doing that with orders because, again, I am wanting to find ways to craft with you guys. And I find when I click on craft videos, I'm like, I want to make that card. Oftentimes when I'm watching a Christina Warner video, I'm like, oh man, like I wish I had that designer paper, or I wish I had that cardstock that she's using so that I could make the project. I think that this will be a really fun way if I just have a card kit that I design every single month, and it's just one card kit. It won't be that expensive to ship. I can send it out right away to you, and then you can feel like within a week, you could go back and look at the project, or maybe I include a PDF in it, and then you get to craft like the project. And I think that that would be really fun. So this is the card kit that you will get. This is exactly the way it will look. I will include an envelope, so you'll have all of the pieces, and then you can swap out any sentiment that you want. That's how it will work, so that you don't have to have a million things, right? The idea is to get a card kit in the mail and be able to dump it out and put it together and not have to have all the hundreds of things. So today, what we are doing is we are using some paper that you may have forgot about. I'm gonna pull that over here. And it is the Christmastime Designer Paper. Do you guys remember this from last year? So I totally forgot that we had this because it's not in any catalog. It is a carryover item and you can purchase it. It is $14.50 and it is a specialty designer paper. And it features this beautiful, these beautiful flowers. It is definitely like Christmas time, but you could also use it for Valentine's Day. And I just want to tell y'all, I saw the spring summer mini catalog, and I had to pull myself away from the computer to like do other work because it's so super cute. I cannot wait for the Valentine's Day stuff. I think it's going to be gorgeous, but you could definitely use this for Valentine's Day. So this is just a quick reminder that this is on the website. And I think even that these stamp sets, I don't know if there's a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator on here that might know. I know the paper is. I just went online and checked to make sure I wasn't dreaming. That happens where I'm like, I dream of a product and I'm like, that wasn't real. So I went and checked on the paper and it's there, but I did not double check to see if the stamp sets are there. So the stamp sets may or may not be there, and I'll try to get an update for you guys with that. But today, I'm just going to use the Merry Christmas sentiment. Another great sentiment you could use is if you have this month's paper pumpkin, the Merry Christmas in this month's paper pumpkin is super cute as well. So let's get started. I'm starting with a piece of crumb cake cardstock, okay? And this is what you will do if you get your make and take from me, okay? So if you place a $35 order or more with me, you will get these items to make this card. And you'll get it in real time. The minute your order comes in is the minute your kit will ship. Okay, so I've taken a piece of the designer paper and I've just cut this. So I've cut this at 4 inches by 5 1/4. And I'm gonna not hurry through this, you guys, but I am going to make it kind of quick because of on stage at home. I don't want to miss a ton of it. Hey, Kathy. Hey, Christy. Okay, the next thing I have here is a piece of red glimmer paper. And this is from many years ago. I hoard glimmer paper at all costs. And we had some red glimmer paper in one of our holiday catalogs. And I just hoarded it. So you will get a square of that. And this is how we're going to put this on here. So we're going to layer these items like so. I'm going to show you guys here. And you may recall what design this is from. And if you can guess what card design this is from, there might be a giveaway involved. Okay, so let's do our stamping. And we're just going to use this fits perfectly. Okay, so this is Merry Christmas. Let's get a block. And I'm going to use Shaded Spruce. No, Mossy Meadow. No, Shaded Spruce. No, Mossy Meadow. Mossy Meadow. You could use Cherry Cobbler or Real Red, Garden Green. Old Olive would go great as well, but I want a really dark. I think Mossy Meadow will be a good choice. It's not a color I use often. Hopefully that's right in the middle. Okay. Oh my word, it's beautiful. Okay, let's put this together. So this is how you're gonna put it together. We're gonna use, this is Seal Plus for this glimmer paper. We're gonna place that down. I should have probably put some Mossy Meadow green cardstock behind my glimmer paper. But hindsight is 20/20, right? Okay, so now to attach to our glimmer paper, we're gonna use dimensionals, and we're gonna use quite a few of them. I think dimensionals stick to glimmer paper well, if I recall. I mean, let's put these all over. Like, I mean, make it a contest with yourself. How many dimensionals can I get on here? Okay. I mean, that's pretty good, right? I mean, that's a lot. And then you don't have to take off the backing of all of them, honestly. I do, because it just bothers me not to. But if it's annoying to you to pull all these off, you don't have to put them, you don't have to take all the backings off. Just enough for several of them to stick. Okay. And then you're gonna put this on here diagonal. And then this piece here is from our brushed metallic. I keep saying metal. It's brushed metallic. It would be great if I could get my act together and know what I'm sharing with you guys. And it is the gold design. And we're going to center this. Now I know we're totally putting a lot of stuff over the beautiful, beautiful floral image, right? But that's okay. You could also, I don't know if I can remove this now. Nope, it's on there. You could do it a little lower so the rose showed a little bit more. But I mean, this is what it is. I should have thought about that. Oh gosh, and it's down. My flag is barely showing, but man, when you use this seal, whoo, it is some stickiness. Okay, so that is the card. Maybe make this a little slimmer. I think maybe that's what I would do, is just make it a little slimmer. So this is our very first project for 8 weeks of Christmas. I'll pop this on a PDF and share it with you guys for sure. And then don't forget, spend $35 or more with me and get your very own card kit along with the gift that I'm giving out, my ordering special. Get a make and take to go. I love that. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I'm going to run and jump back on stage and check out all the fun stamping and hang out with my demonstrator friends. I will be back on Monday to share another project with you. I love you guys. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for all of it, for just hanging out with me and being here. I appreciate it. And I'll talk to you guys next week.